Is this fun? Yay! He.
Can Mama help you with your arm?
Her arm's in the same place.
So.
Hi there. Yay!
Sophie, don't eat the swing.
You're like, that's a tasty swing. She thinks it's funny.
Come on. Thank you.
Yeah, you're funny times.
Sometimes I take her for a walk back there.
Yeah.
Since all the rain, there's a huge, like, creek.
Huh. Back where?
Back where we used to ride our bikes.
Oh, you walk all the way over there?
Yeah.
Huh.
Hey, you think with all this damn exercise I'd be thinner?
Oh, you're looking kind of sad.
What do you need?
Hi.
Tell me, God. Could you tell me? That's what you need. Could you tell me?